Nope.
I know.
Did you grab that?
Yeah.
Whoops. Sorry.
Where I put it.
Just lay it right across here if you can. I'm so fat. Did you see how low that went down when I
Oh, you're not in the boat?
Barely.
Okay, got your oar?
Yeah. Ready? Teagan, I'll tell you which way to go to the water. Like, just, we can't get too close to them now. Oh, Mindy, you'll love them.
What?
Like an inch big.
What
We don't have anything to put them in. Mom, show us that styrofoam thing.
Oh, God.
Hold on. Don't throw it to us, but
Yeah, ship it our way. Just message in the boat. Let it float.
make it the floater. Throw it. Throw it as far as you can. Oh, I'm dead serious.
Oh, God.
Alright. That's Mindy's job.
Mindy, get it?
That's all you.
Monkey arms.
Oh, that's a big rock.
I don't know how to.
You didn't grab it, right? You know how to grab things? Good girl.
It's taping. I gotta throw it.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Left side. Make sure we don't hit John's boat. That's always a good thing.
You're gonna get away from me. I just decided I'm gonna tape everything in case something good happens.
Right, that's the point. Teagan, we gotta go left.
Oh, okay. Got in my eyeball.
No, it meant right. I'm sorry, I meant road to the left. Real hard so we can turn. Remember when we seen that big snake over there? Me, you, Neil, and I think it was Jerry?
Yeah.
Man, we are drifting, huh? You see that?
Ooh. We got cheaper on one of those little... What are those things called?
Alright, Teagan, look straight ahead. See that log out there?
No. Oh, I see that log.
No, seriously, look. No,
I see it. Right there? Right there?
Yeah, that log. The only log in the water.
Oh, okay.
That's where they all are. We gotta just, like, drift there. We can't paddle.
Alright, not right now. We can paddle.
Okay, Alright, you want the right side?